On the instructor podium, there are numerous cables available for you to connect your laptop to the classroom system. The two main cables you might use to connect your laptop are the VGA cable, typically used for older laptops, and the HDMI cable. There are also a variety of HDMI adapters that you can use to connect a device using the HDMI cable if your device does not have an HDMI port. Plug the appropriate cable into your laptop. You can also use the Ethernet cord to connect your laptop to the campus wired network. To display your laptop screen on the projector, touch either the HDMI or VGA button on the control panel, depending on which cable you connected to your laptop. Most laptops will simply connect to the system. However, if you have issues, you may need to refer to your laptop's help guides to see if you need to enable a feature or press a button to connect to an external display. For example, with this Windows laptop, it's necessary to press the F8 button to enable the extended monitor display and choose Duplicate to duplicate the laptop display on the projector screen. If you have a Mac laptop, you may not have either an HDMI or VGA port on your laptop. It's recommended that you connect your laptop to the Apple TV in the classroom to display your laptop screen. First, change the classroom display to the Apple TV. Then, on your Mac laptop, click on the AirPlay menu and select the Classroom Apple TV. A code will be displayed on the computer monitor and projector screen. Enter the code into the AirPlay code field on your Mac laptop. Your laptop screen will now be displayed on the monitor and on the projector screen. Once you are done, remember to disconnect the cable from your laptop. If you are using the Apple TV, disconnect by going to the AirPlay menu and select Stop Mirroring. You may also want to change the projector display to a different device, such as a PC, as a courtesy to other faculty who will use the classroom after you.